Hey friends, coming to you from 19041 Capehart Drive in the Stedwick subdivision of Montgomery Village. Listen, lots to like. Tremendous investment opportunity. Nearly 2,500 total square feet, including a garage you can see behind me, brick exterior, 3 bedrooms upper level, but great commuter location. Tremendous spot. You're right off close to Watkins Drive, right down the street from Costco, about 5 minutes away. 270, very accessible. 355. Shady Grove Metro, about 10 minutes away. But a great spot, lots to like, tremendous appeal. Come take a tour with us. If you or anybody else you might know has needs, would like a tour, would like more information, let our team know. We're here to serve you and yours however we can. Thanks so much.